Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X3 Lite, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and now scroll to the sounds and vibration section. Now just scroll a little bit more down, and as can you see, we got here the notification sound. Right now we got the glass harp, and now you can change the notification sound by just these tone tunes, or also you can select your custom notification sound if you get some files downloaded from the internet, for example, on your device. Or also we got here our regular default tones. For example, we can go with the jaw one, and now just to save the changes, go back, and as can you see, our notification sound has changed successfully to the another one. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.